What are you going to give her for breakfast?
Just sweet potato.
Oh, is that her favorite?
Yeah, I'm going to give her some more sweet potato.
Ooh, I think she likes it.
I'm going to get some more, okay?
Are you going to get some more in your kitchen? Okay. Go fill up. Okay. Does she want a lot or a little?
Just a little.
Okay.
Just her little milk. I'm going to put a big on it.
Oh, yeah, a bib's important, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Hey, Doodlebug, are you a good mommy?
Yeah.
Yep, I think you are too. Good job, Juliet.
I'm going to give her some pears, okay?
First one's pears? Okay.
No, I'm going to give her some. I'm going to give her some. I'm going to smash her carrots.
You're going to smash carrots for her?
Yeah.
Okay, good idea.
She wants pears.
Okay, good idea.
Mac and cheese.
Wow, mac and cheese for breakfast? Breakfast of champions. Okay.
Mac and cheese and pears.
Juliet, you are lucky.
And she is having fruit.
She's having fruit and mac and cheese?
Yes.
That sounds like a good meal.
She's having dinner.
Hey, Doodlebug, what does your shirt say?
I love my dog.
Okay. Have a good breakfast, Juliet. Bye-bye.